Hello everybody, Easy Hack here, and wow, I should so read the comments. Thank you to my Facebook guys for commenting that I soldered this on the wrong side of the board. So I'm going to take this big gun, right? Because this could happen to anybody, right? I'm going to take this big soldering iron, this is a bigger, it'll heat up, and I'm going to demonstrate how to use the solder sucker, and hopefully I can save the main board. I don't think I'm going to have to destroy the encoder, but I do got another encoder to replace that one. Well, let's plug it in and heat it up and see how much of a tragedy this is going to turn out to be. Okay, never get a new guy to solder your things. You should be called Easy Crack, not Easy Hack, eh, guys? Anyways, that should be legal to say. The soldering iron's pretty beat up too, so I'm gonna twist it. So see this soldering iron? It's not the best soldering iron because I broke it right there, so I'm gonna twist it and should still get hot enough to desolder this, you would think, right? So this is what you do when you break your end, you just twist it, guys. Oh, don't do this at home. I'm a pro at messing stuff up, so see how this works. We're just gonna... I wonder if the heat goes at the connection where they connect or whatnot. But pretty sure this will fix my problems if I just twist this up. Okay guys, so this is the Ghetto Blast soldering iron I got. I kinda figured that it was the wrong side, but I double checked and looked. I'm just gonna cut this. There, that's my clean end I'll solder with, hopefully. So this is the school's fault when they took away the curriculum, and it's partly my fault for not taking everybody's advice online to watch the assembly video before I thought I knew how to assemble this. But yeah, this would be part, I don't know. We're just gonna see if we can fix it for now. The flux didn't come in yet. So I even soldered it on both sides to, I thought I was doing something smart when I went and, I'm not going to upload that video. You think this is going to work? It's vibrating like it's making noise. Okay, so, good. She's getting hot. See if we can use a solder sucker. Remember, I'm a newbie. Don't be too hard in the comments. First time ever trying that. You guys should watch a video on how to take parts off. That was successful. So if I keep doing that, we should be alright. Tune in for the next episode of Wrecking a Good Board. An encoder. You do it the right way, eh boys? Or maybe I'll just make a custom frickin' case or something. So how much do you want to bet that this radio sure won't work when I'm done with it? Ah. Let's try this out. You know what we're going to do is I'm going to cut the encoder off. I'm going to cut this off, not desolder it off. Just get another encoder. I bet you somebody's already been yelling at me in the links to do that, right? Well, remember, always watch the videos and listen to people that type stuff. You know who you are. You're tuning in just to see how badly I wrecked this, which is great. Remember, you don't have to like it or subscribe. I'm gonna bug you and post this link everywhere anyway. But I think I'm gonna order myself another board. So, this is what not to do, guys. Now that I cut those out, I'm just gonna heat this up and push this through. Yeah, it's hot in here. The air conditioner's not on. Yet I guess I've got a sweating because I buggered this up royally. It was a nice board. Till Shit Talker Walker got a hold of it. Trust me, it's not the best tool. Oh, there we go. Woohoo, baby! Yeah, you're probably just gonna turn the channel soon. It's only a plus 40 right now in this basement. Oh, another bird. Oh, I don't recommend anybody building it the way I'm building it. Pretty sure it's pretty pooched. Like, how did I mess that up? Yeah, so I'm just gonna... Holy crap, that's hot. Yeah, at least I'm good for a laugh. Holy crap. Anyway, see, that's how you take this off. You just twist it. Oh, who wants to bet that I still make this thing work? Anyways, thank you for watching my tragedy disaster video. Trying to fix my mistakes. Yeah, I'm sweating. I'm going to go out for a swim.